Good morning, everybody. It's Brian with Two Indians, and today I'm going to tell you about the absolute best motovlogging setup I have found. I have not really done a whole lot of motovlogs, but that's because I've never been happy with the setups that I see. Usually you've got a helmet with the GoPro attached to it off to the side, on the top, or in the front, and then you've got to Velcro or permanently attached with some 3M double stick tape on the side. Your mic adapter for your GoPro, and then you've got to do all the cabling and everything inside the helmet, and it just seems like too much of a hassle for me, so I've never really wanted to mess with it, especially if you've got to remove everything. My issue has always been how the GoPros attach to the helmet, and I just started using this full face helmet. Before I had a 3/4 helmet, and this new Shoei RS1200, I believe, or F1200, doesn't have like a smooth surface anywhere along the front that I could mount to. So I looked and looked and looked, and I couldn't really find anything until I came up. Well, I didn't come up. I found the perfect solution. This is a mount by Dango. D-A-N-G-O. The best part about it is I can mount the GoPro, the mic adapter, and the microphone all on this piece. And all it does is just clip on the front, and it's super secure, and I don't have to worry about leaving my helmet behind because I can just take this off and toss it in my bag and leave the helmet out if I want, whatever, you know what I mean. I'm going to show you how to rig this thing up for the perfect motovlog solution. So as part of this kit, I have the Purple Panda microphone, a Hero 7 GoPro, 2 different sizes of tie wrap, the venerable GoPro mic adapter, and for tools, all you're going to need is a large pair of 9-inch Kleins. Yeah, I'm a tradesman. And a small pair of cutters. Alright, so the Purple Panda mic, this little guy is going to mount to the inside of the back here, and we're going to use a clip just like this. It's an alligator clip. It's meant for a lapel mic, right? One thing you need to be concerned about with a GoPro, with this mic, it has a different adapter than what the GoPro requires. It requires a TRS adapter. But thankfully, because of the awesome folks at Purple Panda, they include a mic adapter. So you have to snap this little dude in here, and then this is what the GoPro will take. So we're going to put the GoPro mount on the front of the Dango mount. Stick the GoPro inside. This happens to be a Hero 7. I've got the door removed so I can put the mic adapter on here. Clamp it in place. Take the mic adapter, put it on here, and then we're just going to connect it right on the front here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I've already gone ahead and prepped this, but if you take this alligator clip here, and what I did is I just cut this piece off because it needs to mount to the back of the clamp. So I just drilled a couple super tiny holes, put in some number 4, I think they're 3/8 or 1/2 inch screws or 1/4 inch screws, and so on the back the mic is going to sit in a position like this up inside the helmet. Let's not put that on there now. What we're going to do now is we are going to take our mic cable, pull it through, plug it into the mic adapter, the GoPro mic adapter, and then because the inside of this unit is concave, I'm going to bundle up the wire inside here. Now you'll notice that that this TRS adapter from Purple Panda is larger than the mic input. So because I'm an old AV guy and a tradesman, we know that we don't put up a fitting like this facing up because water can get inside of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to face it down. So when we mount this, it's facing in the down position. Does that make sense? Makes sense. All right. So this requires a little bit of finesse here as I shove all the wires in here. And I'm just going to take another tie wrap. I wish I had a third hand or an assistant. That would be great. Where's my assistant today? Miss Barbara. I don't know. So I'm just going to weave that through there. And tighten that up just like so. Cut that dude. And then as you can see, the cables are nice and snug down in there. Okay? And then the mic just comes around here. Actually, I think I want to go the other way with that. Yep. And then this little guy just snaps right into place. Alright, I'm going to leave this dead cat on here, as we call him. It actually comes with a different, but just so you see what we've got here. So aside from the drilling on the alligator clamp on the back, this has literally taken me 5 minutes. So now all this guy does is just clamp on here like this, and boom, I now have the ultimate motovlog setup. Yay! Seriously, I have very high expectations for this because everybody raves about the Purple Panda mic, and we're gonna go take this for a ride and see how it sounds. But doesn't that look awesome? You done with your ride? Take this off, bring it in the house, pull out your SD card, throw it in your saddlebag, put it in your jacket, what have you. Anyway, pretty cool, right? Let's go see how it sounds. Man, I love the absolute convenience of this. I can't imagine it being any easier to use. Clip it on, clip it off. Seriously, I'm feeling raindrops. Not that that's ever stopped me from doing anything. Whee! I'm gonna be famous someday. I'm gonna have a big successful YouTube channel. Gonna have lots of adoring fans. I'm gonna be out riding in the rain just so I can show you how a microphone works. Seriously, I feel raindrops hitting me. Hey, look, Ma, I'm a motovlogger. Got me my GoPros, I got my mic. Can you guys, I wonder how the motor sounds. I'm really curious. And can you hear this whistling from my visor being up? Look at that. Put my hand behind it, it stops. I gotta put some tape or something on it. Whee! Ah, boy, traffic. Here, let me close this. Let's see what this sounds. Let's see what it sounds like with the visor down. That's not my actual voice. This is my actual voice. Alright, so I just cut something out of the video that was inappropriate. What I am going to say is I have this dead cat on the microphone, which is there to mitigate wind noise. And the fuzzball, as it is a little too large because all that reticulated fuzzy stuff is like dancing on the tips of my lips, and I need to get it off of there because it's quite annoying. So I gotta trim that out. That's one of the things I'm gonna do when I get home. I guess your mileage may vary, as they say, because everybody's helmet is gonna be different. All right, so I think we've got enough video from this test of the Purple Panda microphone, the Dango clip-on helmet mount. So let's get back into the studio and see how all this sounds. All right, well, I gotta tell you, I am really happy with this microphone setup. I'm happy with the mic. I'm really happy with the mount for the GoPro and how it fits so easily on the helmet. Just about any type of helmet out there. I can't imagine anyone that it wouldn't work with. And if you like this product and you're considering purchasing it, check out the links down below in the description. It'll take you right to Amazon, and you can just go ahead and click and make your purchase right there. And obviously it does help support the channel. Thank you very much. And if you haven't, hit the like button down below, or hit the unlike if you didn't like this video. But I can't believe you made it this far if you didn't like it, unless you just like not liking things. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe too. We've got all kinds of review videos and how-to videos, but mainly we focus on travel videos and riding video and hanging out with people and having a good time. So if you want to go back through our catalog, take a look at that. You might have some fun and enjoy yourself. So we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.